Alright, so don't know if you can hear me or not. We've got air conditioner running behind me, but we had some trouble with our dryer not wanting to shut off. Whenever you would get to the end of the cycle, the drum would keep spinning. And so I've been through about everything. Some people said to replace this board here, and I did, and there was no change. And some people said to disconnect all these wires from the main circuit board. So I did, no change. But what I found was this solenoid right here. Took this out, took an ohm meter and started checking. This one checked 0 between these two terminals, no continuity. This one checked full continuity here to here. And so I took a screwdriver and tapped on that several times pretty hard, and so then it checked no continuity. So if you have a dryer, Samsung front load, I think the part number on this is DVE 5300N or something like that. We bought it at Lowe's in 2018. But anyway, if you unhook the wires, if you change the front control panel and nothing works, try that solenoid right there, and just tap on it pretty good with a screwdriver or something flat, piece of steel or something, and just tap on it, and then recheck your continuity here to here. All right, hope that can help you guys out.